Hey, I'm Allie Carr. Welcome on in to Get the Look. Let's get started. These are my holy grail. I love using these to kind of bring in that like brightness and radiance. So we're gonna have a little fun with Laura Geller's Kajal eyeliners. Once these are set too, they last all day. That's kind of the beauty of Kajals. We're bright, looking rested and awake for the day. And this is one of my favorite mascaras. I never, ever, ever miss an opportunity to highlight. So what we're gonna use today from Laura Geller is her highlighting stick. Let me show you another way to get lift. Just like with the highlighter, how we're gonna bring lift and dimension to the face is with your eyeliner. Okay, my last tip is one of my favorites from RMS Beauty. This is a lip to cheek blush. Very demure. Very mindful if you wear this color. These are some really simple ways that you can tweak your makeup routine and get a fabulous look.